Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the 3D block stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and the front post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 4. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to immediately start our sequence. You're going to skip 3 chains into this next one, make 4 double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, 4 double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, 4 double crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, 4 double crochet. Once you make it to the end of your row, you only have 3 chains left. Skip 2 in this last one, work 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 5 chains. We're going to skip over this first stitch. Then we're going to skip over the next 3 out of these 4 double crochet. Over this last one, or the 4th one, the farthest one from you, you're going to make 4 front post double crochet over that stitch. Now you're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to move over to the next set of 4, and same thing, the farthest one in that set, or the 4th one, you're going to make 4 front post double crochet over that stitch. Then make 3 chains. Same thing, move over to the next set of 4 double crochet, this farthest one, work 4 front post double crochet around that stitch. Then make 3 chains. Same thing, move on to the next set of 4, the farthest one, or the 4th one in that set, work 4 front post double crochet around that stitch. Make 3 chains. When you get to the end of your row and you have a stitch and some chains left, skip that stitch into the top of those chains, work 1 double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the 3D block stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.